Every day I get in my car and record a business idea. I then put them out on my Instagram as a reel, Sholly Harmes BC, normally 15 to 30 seconds each. And today I've decided to put them in one video for YouTube. 25 business ideas and ways to make an extra income. They are random, very diverse, and something suitable for somebody, but everybody can find something suitable for themselves that fits their lifestyle and work-life balance. Whether it's a part-time thing that goes with your hobby like property photography, if you like photography that is, or maybe you're looking for something extra to do over the weekends like popcorn and candy floss hire. You might be a teenager looking to make some extra money, so something like dog walking would be up your bollocks. Or you might be somebody looking to put their creativity into full-time work like kitchen makeovers. There is no reason why anybody that watches this video should be out of a job, not running some kind of business, or not making extra money on the side. Now, if it's your first time here, welcome, and allow me to introduce myself. I'm Sholly Harmes. I put out videos weekly of businesses you can start with little or no money and how to get them off the ground. So feel free to subscribe to the channel and make sure to press the bell icon so as you won't miss an idea. Now go and get your pen and paper ready. Make sure to take notes as you're probably watching from your smartphone and you can't write notes on your smartphone whilst you're watching a video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the next 9 minutes of pure business ideas and ways to make money. Oh, and tell me in the comment section below which one is your favorite. Business idea of the day is cleaning gravestones. Over time, gravestones become worn, discolored, and broken. Now, cleaning graves cost from around £100 euros dollars and go up to around 500 per grave. Here's a tip when cleaning gravestones: always rinse from the bottom to the top to avoid streaking. Follow for more. Business idea of the day is charging electric scooters. Now, if you live in any major city, I'm sure you've seen scattered all over the place are electric scooters, and these companies pay regular people to pick them up, charge them, and drop them off again. If you have a vehicle, you can make around £1,500 euros dollars a week with companies like Bird and Lime. Follow for Today's business idea is a mobile coffee bike. They're different, they're quirky, and because they're mobile, you can set them up in all different locations like music festivals, office car parks, shopping malls, sport events, and so many more. You can pick them up for a couple of grand, and in the right location, you can easily make 500 to £1,000 euros dollars a day. Follow for more. Today's business idea is property photography. All estate agents and realtors need this. It takes approximately 30 to 60 minutes and you can charge 50 to £150 euros dollars per job. Add to this 2D and 3D floor planning and you'll be laughing to the bank. Follow for more. Another way to earn extra money is by getting paid to test products. This reel is too short to mention all the companies, but there are some big ones like Tesco, Boots, and many others that pay you to test their products. A simple search on Google will bring up many others. Follow for more. Business idea of the day is floorboarding lofts. Now, most lofts and attics are wasted space because they don't have adequate flooring. So if you're a handyman, it doesn't cost much to do and you can make decent money doing it. Follow for more. Here's another business idea with no startup costs, no overheads, and comes with huge returns. A kitchen makeover business. You can do this part-time, full-time, alongside your current job or just on the weekends. I'll talk more about this in detail on my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio. Thank you for watching. In today's business idea of the day, you gotta be barking mad for dogs. Dog walkers earn an average of 10 to £20 euros dollars an hour, and if you can walk multiple dogs at the same time, although you'll be cleaning up a lot of shit, the money will be the dog's bollocks. Follow for more. If you have a passion for cars, trade plate driving could be a great way to earn some extra dosh. Car showrooms from all over the country are looking for people to pick up the cars they pick up on websites like We Buy Any Car, Motorway, etc. This could be done part-time, full-time, or just over the weekends. Follow for more. You know, this may surprise you, but window cleaners actually make very good money. It's a fantastic living. You know, the average price here in London for a 2-bedroom flat to clean all the windows is roughly 50 to 70 pounds. And last week when I tried to get a quote for my mother's 4-bedroom house, they wanted 150 pounds. It's madness. And all you need, really, is a squidgy, a bucket of water, a sponge, one of these, and a cloth with a little bit of soap. That's it. Follow for more. This must be one of the best side hustles and a great way to make a passive income. It's called Merch by Amazon. In short, it's an on-demand printing t-shirt service. So if you have unique and nice designs that you want to print onto t-shirts but don't want to lay out any money, you can upload them to the Merch by Amazon website. They print them for you, take money for you, ship them out, and even deal with your customers. And then from every sale, you make a small commission. Follow for more. Today's business idea of the day is Airbnb management. You know, landlords can increase their income by thousands of pounds a month by using their properties for short-term lets. When I was doing Airbnb management up until COVID, the typical rental value of a 2-bedroom flat in Liverpool city centre was around £750 a month. We were achieving £2,500 to £3,000 a month on these properties. You can charge a management fee of 15 to 20% turnover, so all you need is 5 to 10 properties under your belt to earn a full-time income. And the best part of it is, it costs nothing to start. Follow for more. Today's business idea of the day is a mobile cocktail bar. If you enjoy mixing cocks, then setting up a mobile cocktail bar can be a great way to earn good money. These can be set up in private events, private parties, exhibitions, weddings, etc. And the good thing about it is that because most of the work is in the evenings and weekends, you can do this alongside your current job or just over the weekends. Follow for more. Business idea of the day is match betting. In short, it's when you match for and against the same team to win, and you make money on the special offers that the betting websites offer. It's completely legal, 100% legal. You could do this full-time, part-time. I've actually made a long-form content on this video, on this topic. It's in my YouTube channel. Go check it out. The link is in the bio, and follow for more. Thank you. Today's business idea of the day is cleaning swimming pools. Yes, it's actually a thing and it's big business. Cleaning and maintenance on swimming pools. You don't have to be a big maintenance guy. You just have to know how to empty the water, know a little bit about chemicals, and clean out swimming pools. I've seen a lot of these videos on TikTok and YouTube. That's another thing. You can make these videos for YouTube and YouTube will actually pay you for it. There you go. Two sources of revenue in one business. Follow for more. Today's business idea of the day is a mobile alloy refurbishment service. The equipment costs around £15,000 Euros dollars plus a van. It takes approximately 45 minutes to fix each alloy, and you can charge anywhere from 70 to 150 Euros dollars per wheel. Follow for more. Business idea of the day is popcorn and candy floss hire. My parents have been doing this for almost 40 years as a side hustle. It's been a great income for them. You can do this at birthday parties, bar bat mitzvahs, fun fairs, and all sorts of places. Follow for more. Today's business idea of the day is a singles event planner, or event planning in general. However, it's much easier to gain a following when you specialize in a certain niche. Yes, there's Tinder, Hinge, and all that crap, but there's nothing like meeting in person. You can market it on social media, rent part of a bar or the full bar or a club somewhere, get a DJ and charge an entrance fee because that's where your money is, offer a free drink, get everybody mingling, and keep the change. Today's business idea of the day is home staging. Did you know you can increase the value on the sale of a property or even a rental by up to 10% by staging it with props and furniture, etc. There are 3 main sources of revenue how to make money from home staging. One is by being a consultant, the second is by actually renting out the props and the furniture and staging the homes, and the third is by using CAD and that kind of software. Home stagers charge roughly £1,000 to £3,000 Euros dollars per property. Really depends on what kind of property it is and how big and how much furniture they want. Some are even charging up to 1% on the value of the sale. So if you have a property selling for $1 million, that's $10,000 to stage the home. I've made a long-form content video on YouTube on how to set up a home staging business. The link is in my bio, and follow for more. Today's business idea is personalized health and wellness. With the increasing interest in health and wellness, businesses that provide personalized fitness plans, meal kits tailored to specific dietary needs, or mental health services like online therapy can tap into this growing market. Follow for more. Today's business idea is fitting loft ladders to people's lofts and attics. If you're a handyman, you can make approximately 150 to 400 Euros dollars per installation, depending on what kind of ladder you install. And if you can upsell and install lighting and floorboarding, it's Christmas come early. Now, I've made a full video on how to start this as a business. It's on my YouTube channel and the link is in my bio. And make sure to follow for more daily business ideas. Today's business idea is van conversions. This has become extremely popular lately, especially because people don't want to buy they don't have the money to buy a brand new RV. If you know about carpentry, or even if you don't, you can hire somebody that does, convert used vans into beautiful mobile homes. There's big money in it. Follow for more business ideas. Today's business idea is a rental services for outdoor gear. Start a rental service for outdoor equipment such as camping gear, bicycles, or water sports gear. allowing people to enjoy outdoor activities without the need for ownership. And look what the hell is going on here. What the hell? Have these guys got nothing to do with their lives? If you want a real job, you can become a traffic warden. Today's business idea of the day is sustainable fashion. Start a clothing brand that focuses on sustainable and ethnically sourced materials, eco-friendly production methods, and fair trade practices. Consumers are increasingly interested in supporting environmentally conscious fashion choices. Follow for more business ideas. Here's how you can earn over £1,000 a day. Start a roof cleaning business. Prices for roof cleaning is around £15, euros, dollars per square meter. And with the average size roof here in the UK of 100 square meters, that's £1,500. Now, if you want to know how to start a roof cleaning business, I've made a video on this on my YouTube channel. The link is up there in the bio, and make sure to follow for more.